Hey guys, Frank Potoczak with Freedom Technologies here in Naples, Florida. Today we're talking cigars. Whether you have a cigar lounge and you need it automated or you're getting ready to build one, Loxone has the system for you. We're going to control HVAC, humidity. We're going to keep the cigars really happy and your customers even happier. Let's go take a look at Vicente of London here in Naples. All right guys, so here at Vicente's, let's start our tour with the lockers. All of our lockers here are automated, so all you have to do is use the Loxone NFC. Put in your code, hit the check mark, and the locker opens up for you. Or you can have an NFC ring, just like mine, and your locker pops open. Just that easy. We have total control, we have logs, we have everything of who came in, when a locker was open, and everything else. So it's a must for every cigar lounge. Keys are a thing of the past. With the NFC from Loxone, you're in total control. Sitting here at Vicente's of London in Naples, enjoying a beautiful cigar, makes me think about all of the things that it takes to run a business like this. And the most important thing is to make sure that our cigars are happy. And what do I mean by that? The temperature must be right and the humidity must be right as well within a certain area. With the Loxone Comfort Air Sensor, we monitor all of that. Temperature, humidity. And the best part is we get notifications if something is not right. Too high humidity, we get a notification on our app. Too low, we get notification. Temperature, too high, could be an HVAC issue. Automatically gets sent to our HVAC contractor with our automatic notification system. As well as that, here for our storage locker in the back where we have extra systems, we have another NFC touchpad for the employees to use. So at the end of the day, everything is automated. Business open, everything is done. Business closed, and we're out of here. Gives us more time to enjoy a wonderful cigar. Again, Loxone, total control for your cigar shop. Every cigar lounge needs lighting control. And here at Vicente's, we've got multiple zones of lighting. We've got our cove lighting all around. We've got our bar lighting, which I can adjust via my app. So next time you have a game or a party, which we're gonna have a Loxone party tonight, all we do is go green, just like that. So if you're doing a cigar lounge or you have one, put Loxone in. You will not regret it. So let's recap what we did here at Vicente's of London Cigar Lounge. We're controlling the humidity and temperature in this beautiful humidor that we're in. Number two, we're controlling all of the lighting. We're controlling the HVAC throughout the main area so everyone is nice and comfortable. We've got locks for all of our lockers that are controlled via 4-digit codes, pins, NFC rings, NFC key tags, stickers for your phones. We've got the full gamut, so it's easy for your clients to be able to open up their lockers. As well as audio. I didn't talk about that before, but we have total control of the audio in 5 different zones within Vicente's of London as well. All goes on via the business open button and all goes off via the business close button. Loxone makes it all happen, nice and easy, no buttons, no switches to look for, it just happens. So consider Loxone for your next project.